Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to validate the video playback. The original idea is come from a flipbook. So, a flipbook with a series of images that very gradually change from one to the next. So when the pages are viewed quickly succession, the image appears to animate by simulating motions or some other changes. To better understand how we verify the video playback, the most important thing we need to know is the similarity. The similarity describes how difference between two images. For example, in these two images, the similarity is almost 70%, is 69.30%, means that there is almost 30% parts are different. So if we use the red color mark the different area, you will see the third image. If you compare these two images, obviously they are the same image, so the similarity is 100%. Here, there's no different area. Another concept is continuous similarity. Imagine when the video playing, it's actually play image by image. But if we compare each two images and get the similarities number, you will get a series of similarity. For example, when the video is paused, you will see the similarity is always 100%. But when the video is playing, the similarities always change. If we plot the chart, you can see when the playing, the similarity numbers goes up and down, up and down. But when the video is paused, the similarity is always 100%. It's like a straight line. Okay, now we know the concept. The next step, let's dive into the code. Okay, now let's dive into the code. So here in this Jupyter Lab, I upload two images. This one and this one. And now let's see how we calculate the similarity. There's multiple ways to calculate the similarity, depends on how you use it. In this video, I'm going to just show one way, but if you are interested, you can find the different ways to calculate those numbers. So let's import OpenCV and read these two images. And we calculate the height and width because those two images come from the same video, so it's basically the same height and width. Here I'm using cv2.norm function to calculate. This function is to get the distance between 2 points. So by using this function, we calculate the similarity using this is the code, and we print it. Here the similarity is 94%. And now we plot those two images. Here you can see there is slightly different between these two images. Yeah, that's something I want to show you today in this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. I will show you a lot of fun videos in the future. If you have any question, feel free to leave your comments, and I will see you in the next video.